Say, give me that ball, Felix. Give me that ball, Felix. What you got, kids? Say, give me that ball, Felix. You reaching for the ball, Kizzy Ray? Yay! Yay! Bring your horn. Oops. There goes Felix. What is he doing? Felix, don't grab it from her. He wants you to throw it, Kizzy Ray. See, not yet. See, I can't throw it yet. Is that exciting? Watching your puppy fetch. It's a good boy, Felix. Oh, goodness. That's hilarious. Oh, goodness. He's so fast. What are you eating, Kim? Uh-oh. He didn't see where we threw it. Uh-oh. We gotta go find it for him. He doesn't see it. Where's the ball? There it is. He found it. With a little help from Kizzy Ray. With a little help from Kizzy Ray. You playing fetch with your puppy? That's the grass.